Morning, children. Today I'm going to start activity sheet 9. So, here this activity sheet 9 is based on two lessons. They are 5.1, A Great Scent, and lesson 5.2, Inqilab Zindabad. So, here the first exercise is given. Read these lines. So, here I'm going to read these lines. So, you also have to take out your activities book. Okay. And now I'm going to read it. You have to see in your book and listen carefully. Gandhiji became a great leader of the Indian people. His aim was to free India from the British rule. People followed him wherever he went. They called him Bapu Gandhi because they loved him like a father. They called him Mahatma Gandhi because he was a truly religious person. Now, answer each question briefly. Who was Gandhiji? He was a great leader of Indian people, you can write, or Gandhiji was a great leader of Indian people. Now, what was Gandhiji's aim? His aim was to free India from the British rule. You can write his or you can write Gandhiji's aim. Okay, Gandhiji's aim was to free India from the British rule. Now, why was Gandhiji called Bapu? People called him Bapu Gandhi because they loved him like a father. Now, fourth, what do you mean by Mahatma? Mahatma means a truly religious person. A truly religious person you have to write in inverted comma. Okay. So, Mahatma means a truly religious person. Now, fifth, what do these lines tell you about Gandhiji? Gandhiji was deeply respected and loved by Indian people. He was truly a religious person. Now, sixth, find from the passage the opposite of follower. Now, the opposite of follower means leader. Okay, leader. Now, give the noun form of religious. Form of religious. Give the noun form of religious. So, it is religion. 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 Now, eighth, they called him Mahatma Gandhi. Now, rewrite in the passive form. He was called Mahatma Gandhi. He was called Mahatma Gandhi by them. He was called Mahatma Gandhi by them. Okay. Now come to next. Rewrite each sentence, changing the tense as directed. So here some tenses are given. Already I hope you have studied verbs. So here rewrite sentence according to the tenses are given in bracket. Here there was a long trial. The sentence is there was a long trial. Now you have to change it in future simple. So what is the rule of future simple? Will or shall plus verb first form. Now the answer is there will be a long trial. There will be a long trial. Okay. Now come to next. Now second, he lived a very simple life. Now what you have to do? You have to change it in past continuous. So what is the rule of past continuous? Was of were plus verb first form then ing. Was for singular and were for plural. Then first form of verb then ing. So he lived. He is what? Singular or plural? He is singular. So he lived a very simple life. So answer is he was living. He was living. ing will come with live. He was living a very simple life. Okay. Now see the third one. They had a talk with him. Present continuous. Present continuous is or are. Is for singular, are for plural. Then verb first form, then ing. So here they is given. They is what? They is singular or plural? They is plural. So what will come? Are will come. They are having a talk with him. They are having a talk with him. Now fourth one. He looked no different from other boys. You have to change it present simple. Present simple, what you have to do? Verb first form, then S or ES. Now, he looked no different from other boys. Present you have to write. He looks. Looks. S will come with the verb. He looks no different from other boys. Now, fifth one. He was spinning at his spinning wheel. Present perfect. So, present perfect you have to choose has or have. Means has for what? For other person. He, she, it we are using has, and I, we, you we have to use have in present perfect. So here he is given. So what will come? Has will come. He has spun. Spinning is giving. So third form of verb is spinning of spun. He has spinning. In the place of spinning, spun will come. He has spun at his spinning wheel. Now sixth, he became a member of Naujawan Sabha. Future perfect. Future perfect you have to use will have plus third form of verb. He will have. Your answer is he will have become a member of Naujawan Sabha. Now come to third exercise. Rewrite each sentence beginning with the given words. He died because of his injuries. So given word are given. It was is given. That is beginning word. So he died because of his injury. It was because of his injuries he died. Means whatever sentence you are writing, the meaning should be same. Okay. So it was because of his injuries he died. Now second, the aim of his party was to free India. It was the aim of his party to free India. Now third one, they included men, women and children. There were men, women and children among them. A-M-O-N-G, among them. Now fourth, he always dressed like a poor Indian villager. His dress was always like a poor Indian villager. Now fifth, they could not go near him at the railway station. It was not possible for them to go near him at the railway station. So different sentences are there, but the meaning is same. Okay. Now come to next. There is one mistake in each line of the passage given below. Underline the mistake and write it correctly on the given space. Now, Bhagat Singh was the third son of Sardar Kishan Singh or Vidyavati. See the first line. Bhagat Singh was A. A is given here. So A is wrong. In the place of A, what will come? Bhagat Singh was the. Okay, Bhagat Singh was the third son of Sardar Kishan Singh or Vidyavati is given. So or is also incorrect. In the place of or, what will come? Or when we are giving or word, when we are giving choice. So there is no choice. Kishan Singh and Vidyavati. So and will come. A and D and. Okay. Now see the third line. His father and uncles were member. Here the mistake is member. Okay. So underline it. Underline. And what you have to write? Members. Because uncles are given now. So S will come. Members. Okay. Members. Now. Next of Gadar party. The aim at this. The aim at this. At is also incorrect. So underline this. At and of this. The aim of this party was to rid India of a British. So here of is wrong. In the place of, what will come? The party was to rid India from a British. From. From. From a British rule by means for. For is wrong. In the place of for, of. Means of an armed struggle. Does Bhagat Singh belonged? For is given. For is wrong. Belong to a family of patriot. And love of the patriot is wrong. Patriots. S will come. Okay. Patriots. Here it is. OTS. Patriots. Okay. And the last one. Motherland were in his blood. So, were. Were is what? Were is wrong. Was in his blood. Okay. Now come to next, fifth exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words in brackets. You just have to write correct form of the word. He was a truly religion person. What will come? Religious person. He lived like the poor of his people. He lived like the poorest of his people. He was love called Mahatma Gandhi. He was lovingly called Mahatma Gandhi. Why are you not wear a shirt or coat? Why are you not wearing a shirt or coat? The Simon Commission had no Indian representative. The Simon Commission had no Indian representative. Now, he ordered his rifleman to fire without any warning. So, he ordered his rifleman to fire without any warning. Now, a big crowd had gathered there for a public meet. So, public meeting, isn't it? Now, here one exercise given. Some rules you have to write first. If a one syllable word has two vowels, the first vowel usually has a long sound and the second vowel is silent. And if the first vowel is I, the word has the long I sound. Okay, like bike, dime, pick. Here, what they are saying, if the syllable, one syllable has two vowel, how many vowel you know? A, E, I, O, U, 5 vowels. And if any word, you just understand like if any word having two vowel, then first vowel having long sound and the second vowel having no sound, silent sound. Okay. So here the example is giving if the first vowel is I sound, then I sound will come only. E sound will not come. Bike, I sound is coming. By, I. Okay. E sound is not coming now. So here just like the same, here it is given. Here also the same thing is given. If a syllable word has two vowels, the first vowel usually has a long sound and the second vowel is silent. The same thing is given here. Here I example is giving, here they are giving U example. So if first vowel is U, the word has the long U sound, just like here. Long I sound. If the first vowel is I, then long I sound will come. Here it is, if the first vowel is U, then U sound is come. Like tube. E sound is not coming here. Glue. U sound is coming, E sound is not coming. Fruit. U sound is coming and I sound is not coming. Isn't it? So, what you have to do now, you have to do underline the word in each pair that has the long vowel sound. It's very easy. You just have to underline the word that having two vowel. No need to speak also. Just see the word having two vowel, just you have to underline it. Like kite. Kit, only I is there. I is one vowel is there in here. Two vowels are there. I, E. Two vowels are there. Like R-I-D red, R-I-D-E right. So this is, you have to circle this. Those words having two vowels, you just have to underline that vowel because only that words only having long sound. Okay, like kit, kite, kite. In long way we are saying kite. Rit, ride. Pin, pine. Rip, ripe. Okay, bit, bite. Fur, fire, twin, twine, pill, pile, dim, dime, sit, side, fin, fine, slit, slide. Okay, so in that way only you have to do. Now the you one you have to do yourself. Okay, in that way only. Which word having long vowel sound? Blue or blur, cube or cup, tune or turn, sit or suit, cut or cute, hug or huge. So I hope you will do well. So try to do this yourself. Now again one rule is given. If a one syllable word has two vowels, the first vowel usually has a long sound and the second vowel is silent. The same rule is given. And if the first vowel is O, now they are giving for O examples. The word has the long O sound as note, boat, wo. In the same way as I told you just now here, the same way you have to find, you have to circle the word that are having long O sound. But here 4 words are given. 4 words are given in which you have to choose which word having long vowel sound. All are having vowel. See, here I is vowel, here O is vowel, here A is vowel, here also O is vowel. So all words are having vowel. But you have to choose that word having long vowel sound, whatever it is. Whatever it is means whatever, if they are having I sound, O sound, U sound, E sound, whatever it is, but having long sound. Now see, write, rope, rap, road. Sorry, once again I have to say, it is hasn't is given. What is given? Hasn't a long sound means which word is not having a long sound. Okay, so which word having not having a long sound? Write, long sound. Rope, long sound. Rap, what? Rap is what? Long or not? Rap is long sound. Then road is long sound. Rap is not having rap. Now row, rod, ray, rule, rod. Okay. Then third, soap, rail, soap, sip. Sip, not having long sound. Bow, knot, stone, note, not having long sound. Just saying not giving long sound. Note, we are not saying note, we are saying not. So no long sound is coming. Now in this way you just have to circle the word which are having, we hasn't a long vowel sound. Okay, try to do yourself. Now 8th exercise, say each word in the box, listen for the long vowel sound. Again you have to listen long vowel sound. Then write the word in the correct column. It's also very easy. All the words are given here. Yes. Okay, tune, dim, all are having vowel. All the words are having vowel. Now what you have to do, you have to choose long A sound, long I sound, long U sound, and then say each word, write for other words that rhyme with each. Here I'll tell you later. First you do this one. Long A sound. You choose long A sound like stay, plane, lake, pale, tape, came, rain. Long I sound. Dim, right, fine, lie, pie, nine, like. Then U. Which word is having U vowel? You can write it in U column. Mute, cube, suit. Then use, tune, mule. So you just have to fill this box. Now what they are saying, say each word. Lake, which is rhyming word is coming, like which word is similar in sound? Lake, cake. I'm telling you one now. Other two you have to choose from your side. Lake, Cake. Cake you can write. Here I am giving you cake. Okay, one more I will tell you. Cake. Then wake. W-A-K-E, wake. Rest two you have to do yourself. Now like, bike. B-I-K-E, bike. Then mic. M-I-K-E, mic. Rest two you have to do yourself. Similar in sound means rhyme. Suit, cute. Then mute. Okay. Then rest you have to do yourself. Now next, that is put in a, an or some. That's very easy. Articles. And some also you have to put. I need some wood to make a table. Okay, I need some wood to make a table. We met some important people at the party. I need some money. I want to buy an ox. Listen carefully. I am going to give you some advice. She ate only an apple and some bread for lunch. I am going to open a window to get some fresh air. I need a paper and a pen to write a letter. Last night I read a book and listened to some music. They live in a big house. It has a nice garden and some beautiful trees. Now come to next. 10th. Choose the right word to complete each sentence. Just have to choose correct word. Sweetie has got brown eyes. Okay. 2 eyes. We are having 2 eyes now. So eyes will come. Nisha has got short hair. Hair is always here. Okay. You are having one hair. You are having lots of hair. Only hair will come. Hair is no word. Hairs is no word. Okay. I am going to buy some new shoes. Shoes are also in 2 legs we are wearing. So shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Now we are going to buy some new furniture. Furniture always furniture. Furnitures will not come. Whether it is one furniture, one table chair or 2 table chair or whatever it is, only furniture will come. Now it's difficult to find a dash means dash in this town. Work or job? It's job. The guide gave us some. Okay. The guide gave us some information or informations about the town. Here it is also information. Whether it is one information, whether it is lots of information, but only information. Informations is wrong. We had lovely weather when we were on holiday. We had a lovely. What will come? Lovely will come. Now, come to next. Too and enough. Too means what? See, the word too is used in a negative sense. This is too much. When teacher is saying this is too much is means enough. Means what? It is done. No need of more than it. Too much it is. The word enough is used in a positive sense. The first thing you have to keep in your mind, too is used as in negative sense and enough is used in a positive sense. Now just like if teacher is telling you, if you are making noise, too much noise, then teacher is saying don't make too much of noise. Too much. Understood? And this is enough. Means my stomach is full now. This is enough. No need to eat more. So in positive way we are saying enough. In negative way we can say too. He is too ill to need a doctor. Now equal to he is so ill that it's useless to send for a doctor. He is ill enough to need a doctor. Here it is he is too ill. That means what? Now he is become too ill. Now doctor cannot treat him. It is useless to go to doctor. Means we have to go earlier before that. In the same sense, he is ill enough. Now he is ill enough means he is having some cold and cough. This is the time to go to doctor. He is so ill that we must send for a doctor at once. In positive sense. Now, to is used before an adjective. Enough is used after an adjective and before a noun. See, when you will do the exercise, you will understand more better. Rewrite the following using to. It's very far. We can't walk. It's too far to walk. How you will write? It's, in the place of very, you just have to write to. It's too far. Okay, it's too far to walk. Okay, it's too far to walk. Full stop. Now, it's very costly. I can't buy it. It's too costly to buy. Third, it's very cold. We can't go out. It's too cold to go out. Fourth, it's very dark. I can't see anything. It's too dark to see anything. This news is very good. It can't be true. This news is too good to be true. He is very stupid. He can't understand it. He is too stupid to understand. This exercise is very difficult. I can't do it. This exercise is too difficult to do. This mountain is very high. We can't climb it. This mountain is too high to climb. Now, come to next. Combine the following sentence using enough. Now, you have to do the exercise with enough. The fruit is ripe. We can pick it. Now, the fruit is ripe enough to pick. I am very tired. I can sleep all night. I am tired enough to sleep all night. Now, third, I have a lot of money. I can pay the bill. I have enough money to pay the bill. You are very tall. You can reach the picture. You are tall enough to reach that picture. You are quite wise. You can understand it. You are wise enough to understand. The wind is very strong. It will blow the roof off. The wind is strong enough to blow the roof off. That man is very stupid. He will believe anybody. That man is stupid enough to believe anybody. This story is short. We can finish it in one period. This story is short enough to finish in one period. Okay. So here your activity sheet 9 is finished. Now I'm going to end this video. Okay. Thank you.